So welcome to what must be our best location here at Tregoad, this gorgeous prestige forester in what is such a special location. Sorry you can't quite see it to its best today, the weather's shocking, but let's do a little tour for you. So as you come in the entrance, plenty of space to take off your outdoor clothing on a day like this, crazy weather. Combi boilers in here, so nice and cosy, just like at home, and a washer dryer here too. So come and have a look in this huge kitchen, diner, living room area with all of the best quality appliances, lovely big space in the middle to work with in the kitchen, a few seats on the breakfast bar, dishwasher, all integrated appliances. But look at the space and look at the view from here to enjoy the dining area from. So these bifolds open all the way out, so if you can imagine in nice weather, stunning views right around the valley, really special. And a nice cosy living area here too, with a log burner effect fire. So after a day and weather like this, nice to have a soak in the bath. Very spacious twin bedroom. And look at this for a feature in the master bedroom. You've got views out to the countryside that are spectacular, and the hot tub you can see just outside here too. The quality of the furniture is really noticeable in here. It does feel like a nice country lodge, real quality. And look at the size of the shower in the ensuite there too. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to view this lodge, please click the link in the description. It's available at just $239,995, including site fees and rates. What an opportunity.